Consistency is a key ingredient in building willpower and breaking free from the illusions and distractions that prevent us from becoming our true selves. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to lose sight of who we really are, being pulled in different directions by outside forces. This week, we'll explore how developing consistency in mindfulness, faith, and leadership helps restore our energy, deepen our focus, and break through the illusions that drain us. We'll look at how different traditions, including Christianity, modern businesses, Stoicism, Islam, and Hinduism, use consistency to build lasting habits that lead to true success. In the Bible, Daniel gives us a powerful example of consistency. Despite the threat of death, Daniel prayed 3 times a day, maintaining his connection to God. This daily, consistent act of faith helped him build the willpower to stand firm against the pressures of his time. By staying rooted in God's presence through prayer, Daniel broke free from the distractions and fears around him, and God honored his faith. His story reminds us that consistency is in our spiritual practices, strengthens us to break through the illusions of fear and doubt that can hold us back. Consistency was the foundation of Benjamin Franklin's self-improvement practices. He created a daily schedule that focused on consistent actions in areas like learning, health, and productivity. By sticking to this routine, Franklin developed habits that allowed him to break free from the distractions of everyday life and focus on becoming the person he aspired to be. His consistent practice of reflection and self-improvement helped him navigate challenges and ultimately become one of the most influential leaders in history. In modern business, this principle holds true. Consistency in daily mindful actions builds long-term success. In Stoicism, Marcus Aurelius is a prime example of using consistent reflection to build emotional control. As a Roman emperor, Aurelius faced countless pressures, yet he maintained a consistent habit of daily reflection, journaling his thoughts and actions in what became his famous work, Meditations. By consistently reflecting on his emotions and thoughts, he strengthened his willpower, allowing him to remain calm in the face of adversity. His daily practice helped him break free from the distractions of power and fame, focusing instead on what truly mattered, his virtue and character. In Islam, salat, or daily prayer, is practiced consistently 5 times a day. This routine helps Muslims build willpower and stay connected to God throughout the day. This consistent practice of prayer strengthens spiritual resilience and helps believers break free from worldly distractions. By pausing for prayer, even during busy moments, they find the focus and energy needed to stay grounded. It's not just the act of prayer, but the consistency that restores spiritual energy and gives the strength to overcome daily challenges. Swami Vivekananda, a key figure in modern Hindu philosophy, practiced and taught consistent meditation as a way to build willpower and mental clarity. By dedicating time each day to meditation and mindfulness, Vivekananda developed a deep spiritual connection and clarity of mind. His consistent practice helped him break free from distractions and align his actions with his higher purpose. His teachings on meditation continue to inspire millions to develop their willpower through consistent spiritual discipline. Developing consistency in daily habits, whether through mindfulness, prayer, or leadership, gives us the willpower to break free from distractions and false pressures. By staying consistent, we expand our capacity to see through the illusions and focus on what truly matters, leading to lasting growth and true success. How can you develop consistency this week to break through the illusions in your own life?